Welcome. In this demo, I will walk through how multi-tenancy is implemented on the platform, starting from a platform admin perspective and then moving into the account admin and end-user experience. I'm starting by logging as a platform admin. As a platform admin, I can create and manage multiple tenants represented as accounts. This allows different teams or customers to operate independently within the same platform. Let's begin by creating a new account. I will navigate to the Account section and initiate the Create Account flow. Here I provide the account name. Account owner. Assign entitlements. Entitlements define which service this account can use and configure quotas. This defines the control resource usage, such as compute storage. Together they ensure each account has the right capability and stays within defined limits. This account now represents a new tenant with its own isolated environment. At any point, I can come back and adjust quotas based on the evolving needs. Now, moving on to the account admin responsibilities, let me log in as an account admin. This user is the account owner for two accounts, marketing and sales. I will navigate to the access control. From here I can add users to this account. I will add a user DSC2. This user now has access to this account based on the rules and permissions assigned. I will now navigate to the storage volume. Storage volume is isolated at the account level. Volumes created here are not visible or accessible from any other account. Next, let's talk about usage and chargeback. I will go to my account and download the usage report. This generates a CSV file with detailed user metrics, including user activity and token consumption. This information can be used for chargeback or internal cost allocations. Let's move on to monitoring. I'll open the monitoring view. This view provides visibility into resource usage and system health within the account. And it helps account admin to ensure smooth operations. This completes the account admin experience. Now let's look at what this means for the end user. I'll start by logging in as user DSC10. This user has access to specific accounts, and their view is limited to those accounts. The user has access to the projects, storage and services within their assigned accounts. Their permissions are governed by what account admin has assigned to them. So let's look at projects. Projects are scoped to the account, meaning they are fully isolated from other accounts. Any workload, configurations and resources created within a project belongs only to that account. DSC10 has access to sales account as well, so let me try switching to sales account. If I look at the project section, the projects listed here are different to marketing account and is scoped only to this account. Next, I log in as another user, DSC11. This user is scoped only to marketing account. The resources and capability available to DSC11 are different. This demonstrates how access control isolation is enforced at both user and account level. To summarize, users only see what they are authorized to access. Multi-tenancy enforces strict isolation across accounts. This enables secure and scalable multi-tenancy while maintaining flexibility and control.